Space Organizer. SMARTAKE 2-pack shower caddies only fit 90 degrees right angle corner, not suitable for round corners. These bathroom shelves are designed for organizing your space, ideal for storing your shampoo, body wash, cream, soap and more. Not only can use them in the bathroom but also in the kitchen, bedroom, any place you want. Rust-proof SUS304 stainless steel. Made of SUS304 stainless steel, which made the corner shower caddies rust-proof, stable, durable, and long-standing use. Avoiding rust stains on the floor or walls, keep your space clean and tidy. If it is rust during use or you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. No drilling strong adhesive. You can refer to the video we provide to learn the installation. Powerful adhesive comes with the bath shelf, ensuring the shower rack stable. We also offer additional 2 adhesives to meet your needs. If you want to move the shower shelves to another place, just need to install adhesives. Remove guide. Use a hairdryer to heat the sticker, tear it off easily when heat enough. Drain fast. The corner shower caddy comes in an open grid design for maximum air ventilation and water dripping away. Keep your bath products clean. The grid can prevent some small objects from falling. Our bathroom shelf can bear up to 30 pounds. Do not press the shampoo hard when you place it on the shower caddy. It might cause an exceeding the load-bearing limit. 2 different sizes. You will get 2 times shower caddies, large, 8.7 times 8.7 times 2.0 inches, small, 7.9 times 7.9 times 2.0 inches, 8 times adhesives. It is recommended to install the large layer first and put the objects you want to place on it, then install the small layer, to avoid the objects you want to put in after the installation is higher than the distance between the 2 layers. Top reviews from the United States. These things stick. I don't usually write reviews, but I had to about this product. Let me tell you that these are exactly what I was hoping for, and at this price, it's quite a steal. The hooks on the adhesive strips take some finagling, but basically lock around the bars. The stickiness of the strips is also crazy. I will advise you know exactly where you want these things. I didn't, and my hands are aching. These things will not move once put down. Taking off the strips took some manpower. If you do need to take the strips off, definitely wear gloves or something to protect your skin. No allergic reactions, just 2 small cuts on both of my palms from yanking on them. Overall, I am over the moon with these shelves so far.